We all can create change. Of course, because the bottom line is, it is up to us. Have a vision. Think big. Ignore the naysayers. Work your ass off and give back and change the world. Because if not us, who? If not now, when?
In 1998, Align Technology introduced the Invisalign product to the market. Since then, Align has continued to improve the fabrication process and has assembled one of the world's most state-of-the-art manufacturing operations. As a result of this innovation, our customers can feel confident that every aligner we make is made to their exact specifications. We strive for excellence and perfection across every part of our process. There are over 400 world-class manufacturing operations located in the Juarez area, including Johnson & Johnson, GE Medical, Delphi, and Honeywell, to name a few. The average size of these facilities is over 1,000 employees in each of these operations. Juarez is host to one of the world's largest concentrations of manufacturers, which allows Align Technology to benefit from the industry infrastructure and engineering talent, operational talent, and maintenance engineering. In our facility, we have operations that are highly automated and technologically advanced. Tens of millions of dollars have been invested in capital assets to make sure that we're staying on top of the manufacturing capacity to support the operations. We can produce an entire treatment plan in days, and in some cases, hours. The modular design of our operations allows us to expand and then support any demands that are placed upon us. The aligner fabrication process begins when you take an impression in your office. That impression is really the foundation of everything that we do. The impression is scanned and digitized and sent electronically to Align's treat operations facilities in Costa Rica, where the virtual treatment plan is created.
He's postgraduate in dentistry, postgraduate in orthodontics and orthopedic dental shop, active member of AAO and WFO, French Federation of Orthodontics, and a member of the European Clinical Council of Invisalign, speaker at the first and second European Invisalign meeting.
Sorry, Chairman. We have the last interview. I'm pleased to introduce the last scientific event of this Congress that I hope you enjoy. This will be the first orthodontic debate, friendly debate between one emerging technique and one consolidated technique in the invisible world. So one, the lingual technique, and the Invisalign technique. I'm just shortly summarizing the format of this scientific event. There will be a group of lingual defendants represented by Dr. Dirk Wigman from Germany, Massimo Monti from Italy, Lorenzo Fabero from Italy, and Hitoshi Koyata from Japan. And from the Invisalign group, we'll have Bob Voigt from USA, Achille Farina from Italy, Bernard Schupp from Germany, and Patrice Bergeron from France. There will be a panel of super artists represented by Mario Paz, USA, and Giuseppe Siciliani of Italy. And the chairman of this event will be Giovan Battista Garino, who is the chairman of the scientific committee of the ESL Council.
I'm very honored to be the first to open the debate for Invisalign and to answer at your question. I'm not a fighter. I'm just a user of Invisalign, and I will give you the thinking of our community, of our colleagues. First of all, keep in mind that Invisalign is a new removable appliance. The more the liner is fitting, the more predictable movement would happen. The more tooth surface you have, the more predictable movement is. Second thing is that the movement depends if you use only the liner. It depends on the attachment you put on the teeth. It depends on the auxiliary you use, and it depends if you slow down the movement. The last thing is the learning curve. The more cases you're treated, the more predictable movement you have. Now, I want to give the answer for the beginner. We are seeking that the more predictable movements are tipping in scissor rotation less than 30 degrees, expansion, inclusion of the teeth one by one, and distalization with the class 2 elastic. The less predictable movements are the extrusion of the teeth, the torque, the translation, and the rotation with short and round corn. And the non-recommended movement is the mesialization of molar, the uprighting teeth, and the unerooted teeth. For the encouraged, when you are using an aesthetic removable appliance like Invisalign, is not like when you are using braces. The wires in the liner and the braces are the teeth. You don't put a wire in a slot, but you take each teeth with a clear aligner. So for more one teeth, you are better encouraged. Because at the first stage in the clean shape, you can move only one teeth with the encourage of all the other teeth. And after is like all the other technique. You can use the mini screw and you can use the elastic. In conclusion of the first question, the more Invisalign patient, the more Invisalign practitioner, the more Invisalign study, the more Invisalign congress around the world, the more predictable movement you have. It's the same for all the new appliances, like handwear. Invisalign is more younger, so it seems less predictable. That the present of all the audience show that in the future, more and more movement will be predictable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Avec Invisalign G3, vous pouvez désormais demander des Precision Cuts sur les aligners Invisalign. Les Precision Cuts facilitent l'utilisation d'élastiques avec Invisalign pour contrôler l'ancrage dans les cas de classe 2 et 3.
Posterior bite forces can work against premolar extrusion and deep bite correction in general. Invisalign G5 introduces new precision bite ramps that are designed to disocclude posterior teeth for improved efficiency in deep bite treatment. Precision bite ramps are prominences on the lingual surface of the upper aligners.
Pulls up the aligners, puts them into sealed bags, verifies the data once again, and automatically prints any IPR and attachment data and places it in the box. A tamper-proof seal is applied and the case is ready to ship. This innovation in automation processes reduces the potential for aligner mix-ups and provides a more efficient, useful package for our customers. From the SLA mold process to the forming and marking of aligners, from the precise trimming and polishing to the packaging of each case, Align's fabrication process is designed for efficiency, precision, and quality. Our goal is to create consistent, excellent products for our customers. Align's engineering and manufacturing teams are proud of the product we deliver, and we are committed to finding new ways to improve our existing
des axes qui
processes
sont bien
and to
parallèles et
support
qui
the
sont
growth
vraiment
and
après
success
l'extraction
of
pour
our
sagesse.
customers and of the Invisalign
Donc là,
system.
si on compare sur les deux radiographies, on on voit vraiment ce parallélisme au niveau des racines sur une stylisation, un parallélisme qui est présent sur chacune des dents.
Donc du coup voilà, ça se présente comme ça. Il est tout transparent. Je tire l'élastique et je le passe vers le haut.
Alors, l'orthodontie, c'est aussi des appareillages dentaires, puisqu'à la fin, c'est un appareillage qui peut modifier, changer les choses. Alors, l'appareillage le plus connu, c'est les bagues en fer qui recouvrent les dents, qui sont reliées avec un fil pour faire l'alignement. Ces bagues ont évolué aussi, puisqu'on a eu les bagues en fer. Ensuite, on les a mis transparentes dans les années 90. Dans les années 2000, on les a mis à l'intérieur de la bouche. Et maintenant, grâce aux technologies, on a aussi une sorte de film plastique transparent qui recouvre les dents, dans lequel est imprimé un mouvement qui permet, par programmation informatique, de faire déplacer la dent et de programmer dans ce plastique un déplacement. Alors bien sûr, ça a rendu les choses moins visibles, plus confortables, moins douloureux, avec des appareils qui s'enlèvent, qui sont plus fixés dans la bouche, donc un confort qui a donné plus d'accès en diminuant la contrainte.
شو حلو حبيبي شو حلو هالقمر شوفوا ما أجمله بس أنا عبالي دلله وحياتي ما حدا بقى يزعله شو حلو حبيبي شو حلو هالقمر شوفوا ما أجمله بس أنا عبالي دلله وحياتي ما حدا بقى يزعلوا واسمحوا إذا بتسمحوا واستحوا ما بقى تجرحوا لو زعل أنا بصالحه حبيبي بالقلب صاير مطرحه واسمحوا إذا بتسمحوا واستحوا ما بقى